Right now I want to show you what's included in the RAM-B-138. On this side here you'll see the RAM-B-202, which is a round 2.5-inch diameter mounting base plate with a 1-inch ball. You get the RAM-B-201, which is the standard 3-inch from socket to socket standard size arm, which allows you to connect this socket to this ball and this socket to this ball. And this ball is connected to a diamond plate which has 2 holes in either point, and this is the RAM-B-238. So that's what's included in the RAM-B-138 round plate base mounting system.